Hey, let me put a bug in your ear. I have had a dream, a vision for several years now of a regional Course in Miracles center here in Sedona. And I actually identified a property and wrote a business plan. But what we realized was that in addition to not having any money, we need to have people say, hey, that might be a great idea to have a place in Sedona, a community center for A Course in Miracles, where we can come to learn, to practice, to learn to read A Course in Miracles for ourselves, and to have joy in being with other people of like mind. Hi, I'm way up high now, but I want to show you that ACIM Regional Center that I had been shown. I feel like I've been shown. I'm going to put it right in the center of the screen. Okay, it's the one with a black dark center. That's actually a courtyard. The rock you see now centered is Cathedral Rock. Thunder Mountain is on the left of that. And then these are just miscellaneous, gorgeous, beautiful places to hike right nearby. Plus, the creek is right down the road.